Head over to the Libraries and add a white background to the timeline. Then go to the Adjust tab and turn down the white slightly. After this, add text to the timeline. Type your text in the text box. When you're done typing, choose an Apple font for the text. I'm choosing here SF Pro Display Medium. Then I'm changing its color to black. I want my text to fit inside the screen, so I'm going to decrease its scale. Now select the text and create 6 nodes. I'm creating these nodes after every 15 frames. After this, select the first node and delete all text except the first text. After that, for the rest of the nodes, delete all the remaining characters except the second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth words. Now arrange all the words in a line. Place all the text on top and stretch the first text to the 5-second mark. Repeat this process for the rest of the texts. Now you can easily arrange all the texts on the screen. Move the playhead to the beginning of the first text and then select it and add a transform keyframe here. Then move the playhead forward a little and add another keyframe. Select the keyframe and click right and choose Show All Presets. Select the cubic out from the curves. Then select the first keyframe and set the value of the y-axis to -255 in the uniform scale. Select the text again and go to the Animation In tab and apply Blur Animation. Set its duration to 0.3 seconds. Repeat this process for the rest of the texts. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join the community for more videos every week.